Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing well today. Welcome back to Crypto Breakfast. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button because in this channel, it's all about starting your day with a straightforward, easy to understand market updates and insights on cryptocurrency. Whether you are new to the space or already investing, my goal is to make crypto simple, clear, and helpful for everyone. And we'll talk about market trends, new projects, tips to grow your portfolio, and how crypto fits into a bigger picture. So go ahead and grab your coffee and let's get into it. Let's go ahead and kick this off in Coin Market Cap. Okay, crypto market is sitting at 3.2 trillion with a volume 24-hour volume is 139 billion. Fear and greed index of 48 neutral. Bitcoin dominance 56%. Bitcoin is sitting at 94%. Sorry, 94,000. The last 7 days been down 4%. And Ethereum is at 3,200. XRP above $2. Interesting. And let's check out the top gainers. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see what's popping here. All right. Biggest gainers is Bitcoin SV, IOTA, Thorchain, Phantom, Bitget token, Algorand. Okay, some layer one looking green there today. Biggest losers. This is probably AI agent here, down 20%. There's a correlation there with virtual. They usually do AI agents. Okay, that's the gainers and losers for the day. And let's see. Let's go to. There's an article I want to show you guys. Just want to quick read into it. Here we go. Bitcoin speculators panic sell at 92K in good time for accumulations. Let's see here. On-chain data shows Bitcoin moving at loss. Bitcoin sentiment has taken a hit this month as volatility favored the downside and bulls failed to reclaim and hold the 100,000 mark. Among the signs of rising capitulations among speculative investors, those who are traditionally more sensitive to the short-term price movement, is a dip spent output profit ratio. SOPR monitors the proportion of unspent transaction outputs or UTXOs created at profit and loss compared to when the coins evolved last moved. The result is snapshot of investor willingness to spend coins at profit or loss. That those analysts can gain an insight into prevailing sentiment trends. Currently, the SOPR value of short-term holders entice hodling a given unit of BTC for up 155 days is below break-even point of 1. As BTC declines, negative headlines are increasingly visible on YouTube and news media. This indicates that market sentiment is turning bearish. This is reflected in the short-term SOPR, which shows market sentiment of short-term investor. The last 6 months. Okay. While bearish on the surface, loss indicating on-chain activity can be silver lining for bulls. Capitalization among speculative investors. Historical data shows often coincides with a short-term BTC price bottom. In August 2024, hit its lowest levels in more than 3 years and even coincided with the first of two near-term bottom of 55,000 for BTC, which remain in place. Ironically, Call example to show us when a short-term investor experience the losses and market influence. Hmm. Analysis: selling BTC may be very unwise. I agree. If you get out of the market, you sold off because you was fearful, seeing so many FUD, and you just sold off at a loss. You're gonna regret it. To be honest with me, in my opinion, you're gonna regret it getting out. This is why there's a different strategy, right? You want to be a trader, just in and out. That's not me, to be honest with you. With this market, I usually go by the cycle, the 4 year cycle. I get in the bear market and I sell at the bull market. Like, you can't time the peak, but you just take profit in your during the bull market. So I hope none of you guys got out the market with this, with the Bitcoin, because all the FUD popping in your feed. I hope you didn't. Just, guys, just hold, stay conviction with your portfolio. This is not time. This is not the time to be getting out the market. This is the time to be bringing your average down. If you got in way too high, and stick to that. And if you're seeing all this FUD on X, just zoom out and just get out. Just log off for like 2 days or something, right? You just gotta be patient. That's really the key in here, this article. But what you take about this article, let me know in the comment section, okay? And moving on to, let's go to our altcoin of the day. Altcoin of the day is Kadena. Token is KDA, sitting at number 312 on the ranking. And let's just quick overview with this before I look at the chart. Okay, market cap right now is 246 million. Okay, get the total supply, max supply, and let's right here. Let's go over this real quick. What is Kadena? What is Kadena about? Kadena is launching one of the world's first true scalable blockchain ready for application. Kadena's public blockchain is braided, high throughput proof of work system that runs Chainweb, and a protocol that delivers security, throughput, and Kadena network will unite public application, private blockchains, and their interoperable chains in one place, driving traffic to the high bandwidth computer at the heart of Kadena public. Okay, interesting. What makes Kadena unique? Kadena is solving the problems of Ethereum and is delivering future today, and the other blockchains have only begun to include on their roadmaps, including formal verification, interoperability, scalability, and more. Kadena is live and ready for immediate deployment of production blockchain application. Okay, what's the history of Kadena? Kadena enterprise software is in use today by major companies in finance, healthcare, insurance, who are allowing builders with the vision to skip straight from idea to product with the launch of the Kadena's public chain. This system will support blockchain application development from private, public, and everywhere in between. And let's see, what's next for Kadena? Application processing volumes and transactions at high throughput. Scalable Kadena network will execute their smart contract code using to the native Kadena token. As more applications join to interoperate with the Kadena network, the number of smart contract executed grows, as does the utility of the Kadena token. What Kadena can be used? Kadena token KDA is a digital currency that is used to pay for computation on the Kadena public chain. Similar to ETH on Ethereum, Kadena is the token in which miners are compensated for mining blocks on the network. Is transaction fee that users pay in order to have their transaction included in the block. Where can you buy Kadena? Let's actually check out the markets. You can get Kadena, can buy Kadena on Binance, Okay, that's a tier one exchange there. It's a good thing. We got Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Oxy, by Mexi, CoinX, Coin, Tape, CoinX. Okay, this is where you can buy Kadena. This project KDA. Okay, now let's go look at the the historic price for Kadena. Let's go first 24 hours. Let me see. Okay, the last 24 hours. Okay, not much of a down. 7 days has been down 21%. 14 days has been down 18%. 30 days 45%. Okay, so it's been trending down since December. Oh, been in November too. Yeah, so from, let's see, it's been trending down. Let's see. Okay, so it's been trending down um around Christmas and just to here. Yeah, the price has been trending down for Kadena, guys. There's something I want to look at again. Let me see. Oh, okay. So when was Kadena launched? Okay. So Kadena, let's look at the chart journey that they have here. Okay, Kadena started in 20 January 2020, and that was the bear market, I believe. Let me see, 2020, and its full first bull run, it went all the way to, I can't even pinpoint that. Let me see. It went all the way to, let me see, all time high is $27.64. That was November 11, 2021, about 3 years ago. So it's Cadenas during the first bull run in 2021. It went all the way to $27, you guys. So if you got into Cadena here during the bear market in the last cycle, and hopefully you took some profit right here. I mean, you can't time the market, but this is why you gotta know the 4 year cycle. Okay, usually after the Bitcoin having 12 months or 18 months from there, you should start taking a profit from your altcoins, I believe. So I hope you did. Hopefully you didn't hold the bag all the way down here to the market. I hope you didn't, and if you did, hopefully you're staying strong and just take profit in this bull market, right? And let's see what was the market cap on that one. Let's see, November 21. It went all the way above 3 billion market cap for Kadena. Wow. Okay, and now during this time, they've been building a lot of partnership actually. Hmm. Let me see. Let's go to their Twitter account, Kadena. There it is. Kadena, the only layer one proof of work blockchain that scales, founded by Joy, yeah, Bob Joy and Martino. So both the founders are created the JP Morgan's first blockchain and helped start SAC Crypto Group. Hmm, that's very very interesting, guys. The founders behind this Kadena is very well experienced in crypto, and especially if you work for JP Morgan and wow and built their first blockchain. That's some kind of achievement to move on and build your own one, right? That's that's a bullish indicator there behind this project. Plus a layer one too, with the layer one, the utility, the project itself, usually during the bull market, they usually tend to do well. To be honest with you, and that's just my opinion. That's not my financial advice, okay? And let's see. See, they got some partnership here with Onera. Never heard of him, but they're partnering with Onera to bring tokenized assets to Kadena. Joining the global interconnectivity network includes major financial institutions, integrating Kadena blockchain with international tokenizations, unlocking the potential real world. Okay, so the RWA, digital securities. Huh. That's a good sign. That's some they're making some moves here. We're having a partnership is usually good, right? Because you're the more partnership you got, the more your project grow and your blockchain MTB start building their project into your ecosystem. And let's go back. So if you guys wanna give them a follow here, they're on X Kadena, and just you know surf around their they're always they're usually very active here. So if you're interested about this project, just go ahead and give them a follow and just keep track on what they're doing. And most importantly, go to the website to read their white paper. Just dig deep. You wanna if you feel like, oh wow, this is a good project, go to the website and just go through it. Because you don't wanna number one thing, you don't wanna invest in something you didn't do your research yet. Okay, like this is a layer one. Okay, it's not like um it's not like just buying a meme coin, right? You usually just look at the community and that's the main thing with meme coin. If they have a strong community, it usually does well. um yeah, so you can dig deep right here the website. He got your the whole team, project partnership, and the white paper most importantly. And let's go back to the price, guys. Okay, let's go back to the chart. I want to go back to price. So with this altcoin of the day, in my opinion, just my opinion, okay, not a financial advice, I think Kadena is gonna do very well, even though with all the competition with layer one. You got Supra, the new layer one that is getting a lot of hype. Um, and you got Solana taking charge and Ethereum. So there's a layer one. This is why you gotta look very, very closely, do your research, and have a plan on your investing. But solely in my opinion, I think Kadena is gonna do well, and because the project I think is very good project. It's a very good layer one, but he already had its first bull run and he survived during the bear market, so that's a good sign. And great team behind it. And to be honest with you, I think it could get back to its all-time high. I would say minimum it can get back to $10, up to $10 in my opinion, this bull market. Because guys, the cycle tends to, when you are in a bull market, you know, even shit coins just start popping up from no reason, right? Usually all the coins are gonna just go bananas. Okay, either utility, meme coins, even with the new narrative now, AI agents, everything, all the shit coins will just skyrocket. To be honest with you, it's my opinion. Everybody will start making it. Okay, so you can from these prices, you could get to probably 10x from here. To be honest with you. With that being said, guys, I just want to thank you for hanging out with me on Crypto Breakfast, and I hope you got some value from today's video. And my mission is to help you stay informed and confident in your crypto journey. So if you enjoy this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. And if you got any question or topics you'd like me to cover, just drop them in the comments, and I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.